Good afternoon, everyone. I want to thank you all for showing today. I know your time is valuable, so I will tell you of an important tool we can all use in every phase of construction and remodeling. That tool is planning. Tools of all kinds are needed in construction projects, whether those projects are an addition to our home, a new set of windows, or maybe you're a project manager for a large company. The most important tool of any project is planning. You may be sitting in your seat saying, what do I need planning for? I have a design team building my project. Still, as the homeowner, you are responsible for planning also. For those of you doubting why you would need to plan a construction project, building and renovations cost money and time. It costs more, however, to fix the problem during the construction phase than when the plan is in its design stage. This is where the tool I mentioned before comes into play, planning. A simple software program known as BIM can be used. What does BIM stand for? Building Information Modeling. I want to show you and you and you and all of you good folks here today the effectiveness of a simple software program that will save you time, money, and a lot of confusion for any size construction project, big or small. Building Information Modeling may sound high-tech, but it's as simple as asking your design team to supply it for you, or you can go a step further even and buy the program and learn and install it yourself and use it. As with a lot of software programs we may be familiar with, there are multiple providers of the same program. With a bit of research, you can find the BIM provider that best fits your needs, but as you will find, Autodesk, which I'll discuss later, provides the most comprehensive program of all. As Industry Directions, a market research firm, has found through studies of BIM software, there are many benefits to BIM. As you can see here in this list, BIM has improved client communications, improved efficiency of architects, reduced time on drawing preparations, increased collaboration with the design teams, reduced time to produce material takeoffs, and improved efficiency of construction. What this software does in its simplest terms, BIM shows the project from groundbreaking to completion and to actually show the project's lived-in statistics. This means you can see how cost-effective the building will run with a certain type of window, or how efficient the heating and cooling system will run with a certain type of furnace or ductwork. What does this mean to you? Let's say your designer or architect is designing a home for you. Typically, that designer would spend countless hours drawing a set of blueprints either by hand or through a computer-aided drafting program. Then this print is handed down to the builder, and the building will begin. What if there is a building flaw in the plans, and the builder has to go and change some of the design, flooring, floor plan, framing? How much did this cost to fix the problem? Eventually the cost will run down to you. To rectify the problem, in 1982, a little-known company at that time, known as Autodesk, was formed in San Rafael, California, by a man named John Walker. Originally, Autodesk was the flagship of all computer-aided drafting design programs. However, noticing the problems and costs involved in correcting on-site construction flaws, Autodesk invented BIM. There are other BIM providers other than Autodesk out there, names such as Graphisoft, Bentley Systems, Nemetschek, to name a few, but Autodesk to date is still the front-runner in the user-friendly, compatible BIM software program. A big selling point of the Autodesk version is its compatibility with Suites Group online material database. Suites has the largest database of building products, building specifications and codes, and manufacturers. Now, who can use BIM? Well, the answer to that is anyone who can use a computer. Anyone that wants to be linked electronically to the design can use BIM. As you see here, everyone is centered around BIM. A change made during the planning process just saved everyone money. According to a conference held by the American Institute of Architects in 2007, a staggering $100 billion was the estimated cost of fixing and administrating construction errors. As stated in the conference, these fixes were the result of something on site was different than the intended specifications called for. How is money saved using BIM? Simply put, cash is saved resulting from the reduced costs of communications and coordination as the building passes through each phase of its construction life cycle. If BIM was used for even half of those projects, think of the time and the money saved by all parties involved. So is learning about BIM of value to you? That depends. How valuable is your time? And how valuable is your hard-earned money? We're all on social networking sites every day. We Facebook, we Twitter, we email. Think of the BIM as a social networking site that links all parties involved to the projected project. Again, folks, I want to thank you all for your time here today. And I want to thank you so much for listening to what I have to say. And I hope that at least as you walk out that door, talking amongst your friends, you think of the importance of building information modeling and the money it will save you down the road in a project.